that today as you walk, that still small voice still speaks to you and I every day, every moment of our life. That still small voice is that powerful. It is the voice that is so powerful and confident. It talks to you. And you will believe me this day if I tell you the enemy has been able to duplicate everything. The only thing he's not been able to duplicate to date is God's still small voice. Because the pride and arrogance in the devil cannot make way for him to duplicate the still small voice of God. So you can't confuse the voice of God in your mind when you are before evil, or before a time where a decision, lifelong decision has to be made, and the voice of God speaks to you. You cannot tell me you can't hear that voice, because that voice cannot and has not been duplicated. History will tell you everything has been duplicated.